What's up, Fox fam? I'm back today with another video, but before I get started, I have to say, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? What's wrong? Do we need to talk about it? Are you okay? Are you going through something? It's okay, that's why I'm here. So, subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on so that you don't miss a beat. So today I am going to be unboxing and doing a first honest review on a wig that I received from Hair Weave Mafia. I've had this wig for a while. Holidays were going on. I kind of was trying to get Christmas gifts out the way, and I did make a mistake and unboxed it. Well, not really unboxed it. I did open the packaging, but this is all I did. Because I thought it was like a Christmas gift or something, just moving too fast, wasn't really paying attention to the label. But I wanted to do all of that on camera, but I did wait until I started recording to do the, actually, you know, feel the hair. So I received this hair from an Elite Version hair vendor, my good friend, Joe Adana. I was in the military with him in the Air Force. I met him overseas during one of my deployments, well, my only deployment, and he's a super cool guy, like super funny, like he has an amazing personality. I love him. And so he reached out, you know, like, hey Fox, you know, I'm in the hair business now, I want to send you some hair, let me know what you think. That's pretty much it. There's no script, no nothing. So this is an honest review, and he knows I'm gonna be super honest. Period. So it is some Malaysian hair. It's a blunt cut bob wig, 14-inch body wave. This is the packing that it's in. You can see it. Okay, look at this, but you can see there that's the label. Okay, you may not be able to see it. Sorry. But it says bob wig, by the way, 14-inch. And it's in the hairnet. It's in the hairnet. I may have to get a little closer sometimes for you all to see. And it has the tissue, paper stuffing in it to support the lace and the cap. Let me take the net off. Just looking at it, it looks really good, and touching it, it is super soft, but this is the wig, body wave, frontal. What I do like also that I see so far is the adjustable strap in the back. Hold on, did I? Okay, here it is, sorry. The band here is already attached. The clips are already attached as well. And at the back, you know, the nape area, there's also clips there. So, I mean, it's pretty much just already done for you. I know some wig packages, it comes with the clips, it comes with the band, you have to put all that together yourself. Nope, it's already done. You can adjust. The straps are here. So the lace, this is, let's see, the lace. It looks like it is plucked really well, the hairline. It looks really good to me. I'm very, very picky when it comes to hair, y'all. Like, I'm sorry, I can't wear everybody's hair. Like, just because you sell it, I'm sorry, I can't, because I know how rough I am on hair. And like, I don't always, when I have weave in my hair, I don't always go to sleep with my bonnet on. I probably should, you know, I probably should, but sometimes I don't. And I wear weave because it's convenient and less maintenance that, you know, I really want to do. So sometimes I'll just go to sleep. And I think good hair is so good to the point where if you go to sleep on it, you know, you wake up, you touch it up, do what you need to do, but nothing that's gonna take 30 minutes, an hour for you to, you know, get back to its natural state. Nothing like that. Okay, so just brushing, it seems to have a little shedding, and this part is a little tangled, but it's nothing that's the problem. It's a little bit of, I don't know if y'all will be able to see it. You may not be able to see it, but it's just a little bit of hair at the brush. So, this is my initial review. So what I'm gonna do is get it installed, and I'm most likely gonna get it colored. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'll get it installed and I'll definitely get it colored. Just not sure what color it's gonna be yet, but I'm gonna get it installed and do another update another like a 2-week update after I get it in, and then maybe like a month, just to follow up with everyone on my review, my experience with the hair. So, like I said, this is a blunt cut body wave bob wig, 14 inch. And so if you watch this video, reference this video, you can, and then you want to make a purchase, what you can do is you can contact inbox Joey. His Instagram is at JOEADONNA. Inbox him, let him know what you want. Reference my video. The code is going to be Fox Fam and Friends, and you will get a discount. So that's pretty dope. I'm excited about it because I really like this hair. It's not thin, you know, it's like perfect. I have had a lot of hair where the roots would be like super thick, but then once you get to the tip, it's like super thin. Like, no, that's not what's up. But this is perfect. I can't keep my hands off it because it's super soft. Okay, so that's my initial review on the Hair Weave Mafia wig. Like I said, you can contact him, Joey Adonna, on Instagram at JOEADONNA. I'll leave the information in the comments, and yeah, that's all. I can't wait to update you all, get this installed, and let you all know how it goes. Any questions, suggestions below. Any questions or suggestions, comment them below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn those notifications on so that you don't miss a beat. Bye.